In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design responsively with docking, margins, and padding on Wix Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use these settings to ensure your website looks neat, professional, and comfortable, no matter the device it's viewed on, whether it's a phone, tablet, or desktop. Let's dive right in with the concept of docking in Wix Studio. Docking is essentially locking an element to a specific position within its container, left, right, top, bottom, or center, and having it remain there regardless of changes in screen size. Imagine you have a call to action button docked to the right edge with a 20-pixel margin. This button will consistently stay 20 pixels away from the edge, whether the user is accessing your site on a laptop or a smartphone. This feature is particularly useful for elements that need to be readily accessible, like contact buttons or navigation menus. As screen sizes change, docking ensures that these elements float effortlessly, maintaining their intended positions for a consistent user experience. Next, let's discuss margins. While docking places elements, margins decide the space around them, providing breathing room and preventing overcrowding. Wix Studio allows you to set fixed margins using pixels for exactness, or relative margins using percentages, ensuring the gap scales with the screen size. For instance, an image with a 5% margin on either side will maintain proportionate spacing, adapting from a spacious desktop layout to a more compact mobile view while keeping content legible. Adjusting margins for different devices prevents designs from feeling cramped and maintains user-friendliness. After setting docking and margins, it's time to consider padding, the space within the boundaries of an element. Proper padding ensures that elements like text or buttons aren't cramped against their edges, giving them enough room to breathe. A button with 12 pixels of vertical padding and 24 pixels on the sides not only looks more inviting, but also feels balanced to interact with. Maintaining consistent padding across various breakpoints contributes to a harmonized and polished look. Just as margins can have fixed or relative values depending on your need for consistency or adaptability, padding offers similar flexibility. Now, let's bring all these elements together for responsive design. Once you've set your docking, margins, and padding, review them in tablet and mobile views. You might find that what looks spacious on a desktop is tight on a phone. Don't hesitate to make adjustments by reducing margins or padding and rearranging elements for better space utilization. Your goal is to create a site that feels equally comfortable across all screens. Sometimes, stacking elements vertically can help achieve a cleaner layout. Remember, these fine-tunes are what differentiate an average design from a superbly professional one. And there you have it. A comprehensive approach to using docking, margins, and padding for responsive design in Wix Studio. By following these guidelines, you'll ensure your website not only looks great, but provides a seamless user experience across all devices.